9.
Top of the motherfucking morning, though. Like, Bossmack topsoil in here, man. Amber Heard, Johnny Depp, trial coverage. You know what we doing. Let's get it up. They already going. It's been up this morning. I think Amber is going to be on the stand today. We at the end of this thing. It has been a journey. It has been a journey. We are at the end of this thing. They have brought the original psychologist that came up there and said the bitch had PTSD. Amber is looking particularly distressed today.
Assessment of the violence and abuse that she experienced in the relationship.
Objection, Your Honor. Move to
She's
strike.
looking a little nervous today.
Move to strike the last part of the answer. Strike the last part of the answer. Thank you.
Joe Blast, what's up with you
And
peoples?
you know
What's up
that
with
at the
you?
time that you gave this test to Ms. Heard,
Oh shit.
she had
Wait a
been
minute.
away from Mr. Depp for far longer than a year,
Hold on.
correct?
Let me make
Which is
an
why I oriented
adjustment.
her to a different
Yes or no,
time
ma'am?
frame in answering the questions.
Doctor, yes or no?
So, of course,
Okay, you knew she was gone for more than a year.
of course.
Let me make this adjustment.
Let's look at another one of these.
Got that.
You talked about the danger assessment test.
That's
All right.
All right.
There it is. Okay. And there we go, right there.
What number is this?
Icon Locks. What's up with it? Checking in from Jamaica. 7 a gentleman.
Any objection to
Blessings,
him
brethren.
as demonstrative? Okay.
Blessings.
You publish to the jury.
What's up with it this morning? Bossmack topsoil in this motherfucker.
Dr. Hughes, this is a blank form, but this is the danger assessment test that you also gave to Ms. Heard, correct?
I didn't give it to her. I filled it out based on the data that was provided to me.
Oh, so you asked her the questions and you filled it in.
It was somewhat collaborative.
Okay. Can we blow up the second full paragraph? It says, using the calendar, please mark the approximate dates during the past year when you were abused by your partner or ex-partner. You didn't use any calendar, did you?
I did not use a calendar because she was already out of the relationship. As I said, these are static risk factors, so they don't change. So
But
I
these
oriented to
exams-
the time of the relationship.
Ma'am, it's fair to say that this examination that
I don't like this bitch right here.
specifically indicates
I don't know, man.
that you were supposed to look over the past year.
She's really red.
That's not the
one.
language?
No, that's one administration. People use this instrument for if you're in an acute situation in a relationship, trying to get a better assessment of the current behaviors. We can use it retrospectively.
She wants to be right.
I just stated.
Salute
and
to the
homicides
chat.
And looking back about what are the serious risk factors that were in this relationship.
I didn't ask you about anything other than, don't the instructions limit this test to the previous year?
You can give this test not only on the previous year.
Asking you about the instructions.
But I'm telling you how the test is administered in clinical practice and in forensic practice.
And opposing counsel can come up and ask questions about it. I'm asking you about the instructions. And the instructions say, look over the past year.
Yeah, on this, yes, that it says that.
And you had actual knowledge when you gave the test that Mr. Depp was gone way more than a year before.
Salute.
That is correct.
Right. All right. Let's look at more instructions.
Big Karen vibes, bro.
Can we look at
Man.
7, which is already
I wish I'd have said that first. She got so much Karen vibes. Salute to that. Yeah. Big Karen vibe.
Dr. Hughes, you recognize this one too, right?
Yes,
All right. This is what everybody calls the CAPS 5.
correct.
All right. Can we go to the first page?
I've heard of that before.
Let's blow up the instructions. Standard administration and scoring of the CAPS 5 are essential for producing reliable and valid scores and diagnostic decisions. Correct?
Correct.
And you know you have to do this in a standardized way because it is the first instruction, correct?
Correct.
Can we go to the next page? One more. Oh, wait. That's good. This is a page on scoring, and we talked about this last time.
Yes.
You score these tests by frequency and intensity.
Correct.
And you'll remember that in every single instance that you were asked to fill in the blank about frequency, you failed to do so, correct?
That's not correct.
Oh, you filled in any blank on this form with respect to frequency?
I filled in the frequency on the side of the caps where I am actually scoring the caps.
No, I
Where
asked you
it's
whether
relevant.
you filled in a single blank on this form with respect to frequency. Is the answer to that yes or no?
I don't know what you mean, a single blank.
All right, let's page down. Let's keep going. All right, we'll stay at this page for a second.
Top of the
This is
morning.
the first box you're asked to fill in
Oh, shit.
as to, I think, a fairly fundamental question, right? What happened?
We talked about this before, Mr. Dennison. I had 88 pages of notes of what happened. It would have been redundant to put it there.
You know that you are obligated to produce this test in a way that other people can meaningfully review them. Yes?
The people in this case who are meaningfully reviewing them have my 88 pages of notes.
All right, but you
This
chose to put absolutely nothing in the box, the standardized box, that said what happened.
You don't have to put it in the box if you have it somewhere else. It's
Because
not a.
this
if
is
it's
not a
re-
standardized test?
Well, if it's not a research instrument that is used for research, if you're using it for a clinical diagnostic purpose, no, you don't. If you have that data elsewhere.
Okay, let's go another.
Abundance.
All right,
Abundance in the building. What's up with it?
let's go another one.
All right.
Let's look at item 4B4. And I asked you whether you filled in the blank about frequency. And there's a blank in many of these items that asks number of times. You didn't fill a single one of them in, did you?
Right, because I filled them on the right side of the instrument where I am scoring.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to
is
that,
the way
man.
You believe
Looking forward to talking to that man.
followed the instructions
Haven't talked to
of the
Lucario
standardized test.
Yes, correct.
No further questions.
in like 2 years.
Redirect?
Like 2 years.
Static risk factor, what did you mean by that? Static risk factors are risk factors that don't change. It's maybe If you smoke cigarettes, you may have a risk of lung cancer, right? That's a factor that doesn't change. You can look forward if someone's smoking, you can look past if someone's smoking. So these lethality risk factors are present whether you're evaluating them in the last year or 5 years ago.
And when you're trying to assess for trauma related to the interpersonal violence that we discussed, why is it important to get a time frame in which the relationship was in existence?
Well, you want to see the amount of trauma that the person experienced. The longer that they're in a relationship, you have more successive trauma. And one of the things that we know from the research is more trauma is not better. So the more successive traumas that you have, the greater likelihood that somebody's going to have psychological consequences and symptomatology as a result.
And therefore, you need to get it within the relationship.
Objection leading.
And so how does that relate to needing to get the time frame in the relationship?
Well, you need to understand when you're trying to evaluate the impact of something, you have to understand what happened to the person. And that's sort of the core and the basis of trauma-informed care and of trauma diagnoses. You have to understand, the traumatic event and how it transpired and how it played out for that individual so that you can better assess for the symptomatology
I'm going to check that out.
falling from it.
I'm going to check that out,
You have
Mac
88
Life.
pages of notes.
I'm gonna
What
check
was
that
in the
out.
88 And without going into the specifics, can you just describe what was included in the 88 pages of notes?
I remember I seen
And
Magic
the
when he
88
was in his
pages
prime, when he was young.
of
I remember I
the
seen that
documented
shit.
Incidents of intimate partner
Objection, Your
violence.
Honor.
She's just describing it. That came up. He said you didn't fill those in the boxes.
I seen that
It's
nigga at the
in my
Rose
88
Bowl.
pages. I'm just saying what was in your 88 pages.
When I went to the
So I'm not
Rose
asking
Bowl
her
in
to give each
like
of the specific events.
81.
Describe the
I
summary.
think I went to the Rose Bowl in
Can we come up?
1981. When Anthony Carter played for Michigan. And yeah, Magic was there. Kicking him by me and shit. He was skinny pimping back then. But he wasn't really pimping though. He was Mr. Fuck a Lot.
What is the difference between clinical scoring and clinical
All these
evaluation
fuck a lot
and
niggas.
research evaluation with respect to the CAPS 5 and the other tests?
Objection compound.
Sustained.
Your Honor, when it's compounded, it's because it might be confusing to the jury.
Good. Sustained. Next question.
Okay. Can you explain to the jury what the difference is between clinical scoring and evaluation on a test and research?
Objection, Your Honor, compound.
That-
Overruled. Good.
Sure. So the PCL and the CAPS 5 are frequently used.
Get the likes up
And they're
on the
used
way
research.
in.
That
Salute
means the
everybody.
document stands alone. They don't have 88 pages of notes.
We got
help you
Karen on the
understand
stand.
The background of the trauma and what the person
Trying to defend some
experienced.
shit she
And why
said
those
earlier in the
boxes may be relevant
trial.
in research is because, back in the day when I was a research assistant, I had to input that into the computer. And then they would maybe look at some of that data for the research study. So that becomes very important in research.
All right. Thank you. I have no further questions.
All right. Thank you, Dr. Hughes. You can have a
Thank
seat in the
you.
courtroom or you're free to go, okay?
Thank you very much.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and take our afternoon recess. Our morning recess. Let's take our 15-minute recess. Do not discuss the case with anybody and don't do any outside research, okay?
Okay, we at the first recess. The Bossmack came on a little late. She turning red like the Nellis. Hell yeah. That bitch red than a motherfucker, man. That bitch red than a motherfucker, man. She hot. Her credibility is on the line. Motherfuckers, these bitches don't be wanting their credibility questioned. Don't be questioning my credibility. I'm gonna look at Johnny Depp got on the Depp suit. Johnny Depp best dressed in this motherfucker, bro. Johnny Depp. That's right. Get them likes up. Salute everybody tapping in right now. Bossmack Topsoil live in the morning, man. Feeling good like you know I should off that fresh espresso vibing, man. Happy to be here, man, with y'all motherfuckers doing this type of shit. Doing this type of shit. Trying to get used to this streaming game, man, because, man, this streaming game is hella different, man. This streaming game is hella different, man, you know, because a nigga be having to be conscious of so many different things, man, while spitting game, man. You know what I'm talking about? Got to be conscious of so many different things while spitting game, man. But still though, man, it's a beautiful situation, beautiful thing, man. Hey, shout out to everybody in the chat, tapping in with the Bossmack topsoil, man. I got on some comfortable orange right here, man. This orange, green, and white, man. I just love this colorway, man. Even though this is like on that nigga Anwar Carrots, you know, don't nobody got shit locked down with colors, man. So, you know, I had to put together some orange, green, and white, man, because it's right, man. I just be liking this colorway, man. There's some other contrasting colorways that I fuck with too, man. I'm gonna be making some presentations, man. Whole lot of outfits, man. Whole lot of motherfucking outfits. Yeah, seven of gentlemen. Yeah, Amber side done tricked off all they time, man. They done tricked off all they time, and I didn't even know it was time. See, I learned so much in this trial, man. I didn't even know it was like time constraints and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? I didn't even know that shit, man. But, you know, we living and we learning, man. Y'all hit the like button, man. You know what I'm saying? And we doing what we supposed to do. Let me see what we got going, man. Let me go out there. I'm about to go out there and see, touch on a few things happening in the world. You know what I'm saying? Touch on a few things. What's this right here? Oh, shit. Damn. Pharrell and 21 Savage is gonna come out with some shit, huh? Pharrell and 21 Savage, though. Very interesting. But y'all check this out, though, like, that nigga Pharrell looking like Jaden right here, man. Like, I thought it was a Pharrell Jaden cut about to come out this motherfucker, man. I want to kind of play it, man, but I don't, you know. Winning Time is dope as fuck. I'm checking it out, man. I'm gonna check it out, man. You know, that was like a little era when, you know, that was when Bossmack was a young nigga, man. You know what I'm saying? Out the Magic Johnson Lakers, man. In that time period, Larry Bird and them and shit. That was a special time, man. That was a special time, man. That's when them, that's when them Converse came out, man. I remember them Converse came out, man, back then, man. I wonder if I could find a picture of them, man. And Converse, man, it was some Laker Converse. And it was some Larry Bird Converse, black and white. And you know the Bossmack just went and got them Larry Birds, man, because the black and white Converse high top was bracking, nigga. You feel me? I just knew that black and white went with a lot more than that purple and that gold and white, though, and them shits was hard. Magic was a sucker for doing that then. Damn. I got to check that out. I'm going to review that. gonna watch that shit, man, today or tomorrow, man. And I'm gonna review that. I'm gonna go in depth and see what I can see. But man, I remember when them Converse came out, man. Him and Larry Bird. Larry Bird was fucking with them Converse. You know what I'm saying? I got them black ones though, man. Magic fumbled a lot of shit, man. You know what I mean? That you know what I mean? I feel like Magic is cursed, man. You know what I'm saying? Just to keep it a buck, man. I feel like Magic is cursed out here, man. That nigga Magic, man, his son, man, like, for your son to turn out like that, man, it's like, damn. You know what I'm saying? Like, for that nigga's son to turn out like that, it's like, damn, man, really? Like, damn. That shit fucked up. You know, like all the bitches he went through just manifested in his son and shit, like, type shit. But yeah, man. Hey, how y'all, what's up? How y'all feel about, hey. Y'all got me feeling bad about not seeing that winning time, man. I'm gonna have to, man. It start off with the HIV diagnosis, huh? Hey, is y'all motherfuckers happy for Colin, man? Is he happy for Colin getting a workout with the Raiders? Can he still play? When was Colin in that Super Bowl? That was a long-ass time ago. Can he still play? Colin still got it in him? I don't know, man. I don't know. Damn, niggas laughing at Magic, man. Damn. I remember when that nigga tried to come back and play after that shit, man, and motherfuckers was like, man, hell no, I ain't playing with Magic, nigga. Fuck that. Fuck that. It seemed like the world went into shock when niggas found that shit out. Niggas like went into shock, man. Niggas was shocked, man. Like, oh my God, Magic got what? Magic what? Magic got what? Magic got what? Oh my God, no. Cookie came out here in 91, man. Damn. Magic and them was going through bitches, man. Magic and them was going through bitches. I remember I heard a story, man, about James Worthy, man. I heard a James Worthy story, man, from a bitch, man. I heard a James Worthy story, man. It went like this. Back in the days and shit, how did that go? They was at the club. I don't know if it might have been the Golden Tail. It used to be a club called the Golden Tail out here, man. And I think Worthy was in there and shit. James Worthy came through there, and he looked at a bitch, and the bitch liked him. You know what I'm saying? And he just was like, give me your number. Like, just give me your number. You know what I'm saying? And she gave him her number. And then that nigga was like, I'm going to get at you. And then probably about 2-3 weeks called. And then James Worthy called that bitch at like 2 o'clock in the morning type shit. It's James. This Worthy, what you doing? Oh, sleep and shit. All right, get up and shit. Then he just came through, beat it up. Came through and beat it up. I think he beat it up raw too. He came through and beat it up and then left and shit. You feel me? I remember I was amazed when I heard that. I was like, damn, man, nigga just get a bitch number and just yeah, I'ma call you and shit. Ain't no date, ain't no link up, ain't no talk, ain't no nothing. It's just give me your number, bitch. All right. Be on deck. And then just hit a bitch up at like weeks later, 2 in the morning, come through with dick, raw, hit, and then bounce. You feel me? And then the bitch don't hear from a nigga no more. That's it. That's it right there, shit. Queen Kels, what's up, baby girl? We gotta book that, man. I'm gonna get in your DMs and we're gonna book that show, Queen Kels, for real. You put up some dope pictures this past weekend too. I seen that, man. It was some cool pictures. I see you out there. But yeah, man. Bossmack top. What's going on, man? Man, am I tripping? Wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. I don't want to be missing shit. What is this right here? Wait, hold on. I kind of want to, you know what, man? I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait to talk about that. I want to give a nigga some shine. Hit the like button on the way in, man. Hit the like button, man. Amber Heard trial this morning. Johnny Depp going up, man. This has been a great experience, man. I really enjoyed going through this process with these motherfuckers, man. I'm telling y'all, man, you know, just going through the law. Just hearing the law. Hit the likes on the way in, man. Just going through the law, man. Hey, man, y'all and y'all motherfuckers tap in tonight. The Bossmack Top Soil is gonna be live at about 6 o'clock Pacific Standard Time with the great Mr. Lucario, this nigga over here from Game Kings that put me in the Game Kings, man. And, you know, it's going to be up tonight, chopping it up with that nigga, man. You know, I always appreciate collaborations and whatnot with other motherfuckers, chopping it up, man, sharing game. You know what I'm saying? Going over ideas and shit, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Yeah, man. And, man, hey, another thing, too, man, I don't know if niggas, you know, I don't know if niggas ever tapped into this, man, but I was looking at this book right here, man. You know, this is some, you know, this right here, man. This book, you know, right here, Doom Fox by the great and illustrious Iceberg Slim. I think this the last, if y'all knew this, if y'all didn't know this, this is the last Iceberg Slim book. They tried to question the authenticity of this book, if he wrote this or not, but me, from reading it as the Bossmack Topsoil, it's Berg. Yeah, it's probably gonna be on his page. That's gonna be on his page. I don't know how to do it on my page yet. It's probably gonna be on his situation. You know what I'm saying? But y'all check out that Doom Fox, man. That's some good Iceberg Slim right there. It's pimping in that book, but it's more exploration into suckerism. Like, it's showing the struggle of suckerism juxtaposed to pimping. The pimping is really like kind of over there, but it focused on the suckerism through the years. It kind of remind me of some Will Smith, Jada type shit. It's a book of it's some street shit. Doom Fox is some street shit from L.A. It's like L.A. based, like coming up through like the 50s, 40s. I mean, not the 40s, 50s, 60s, L.A., atmosphere, the streets, you feel me? And, you know, I'm always intrigued off of that period of time in L.A. And another thing, too, man, is what I'm going to be going out to chop it up with my relative, man, my uncle. I got an uncle that's out there in Vegas, man. That's he really my cousin, but he my uncle though. You know what I'm saying? And you know, him and Berg was friends, man, in the 70s, man. Him and Iceberg Slim. You know what I'm saying? They used to bick it in the 70s, man, early 70s, mid 70s. You know what I'm saying? Going out, doing shit. You feel me? Out and about in the LA environment, man, fucking with bitches and doing different things, man. And you know, I'm gonna sit down and chop it up, and he gonna give me some good Robert Beck insight, cause you know Iceberg Slim name is Robert Beck. You feel me? And you know, they was homies and shit. You know, they used to be up in it used to be a club out here, man, on now I vaguely remember this as a little ass nigga, man, as a very little ass nigga. But back in the days, man, just to show you how dramatically the city has changed, how dramatically Los Angeles has like changed the environment and what's acceptable and what's not. I mean, what's acceptable and what's not acceptable. Back in the days, like when you drove up Crenshaw and you started to get like when you pass Imperial and you driving up to Shaw and you going up and you start going up like a hill, right? And you start going up like into like where like in the Crenshaw Mafia and all that shit over there. Like when you going up the Shaw, like right past, and you know the casino is over there and the Rams and shit. But like when you're going up that hill right there, right here, what street is? Oh, yeah, that was Century, right there at Crenshaw and Century on that corner. I think that's like a Pep Boys or some shit right now. But way back in the days when a nigga was little, it used to be a club right there.
All right, are we ready for the jury?
I'm gonna come back to that.
Yes, sir.
But anyway, it used to be a club right there called Close Encounters. And I think it was based off of the the movie, Steven Spielberg and shit. Close Encounters. And it used to be like a big giant window. And when you driving up there, they had like a disco ball in the window, and it'd be spinning around, and you could see that disco ball from far, far away. And that was like a hell of a spectacle to be driving up Crenshaw like that, and you driving up Crenshaw like that, and you could look into the club, you could see heads moving, and people dancing, and you could see that disco ball like just shooting the disco stars and shit all out the window into outside and shit. You know what I'm saying? And that club was like a popping ass club for black people, right? You know what I'm saying? The Iceberg and them used to be in there. They used to be in there. My cousin used to be up in there, man. They used to be up in that motherfucker, man. Chief Wildfire, what's up with it? Johnny Depp trial coverage, man. We vibing. But anyway, yeah, man. Put some bread on the books, y'all. Don't forget to put some bless a nigga. Man, put some bread on the books. All right. Let's it's showtime, man. They probably all huddling. Oh, let's get a look at that. They showing a crowd. They showing all the people everybody in the courtroom. Look at that shitty bitch telling somebody to cut something off. Bitch over there telling somebody to cut something off. Tough bitch. All the different characters in the courtroom. Look at that. Look at that nigga over there. Look at that nigga. All the different characters in the courtroom. Purple hair. Look at that bitch with the purple hair. She there for Johnny. She there to see Johnny. Green hair. No, that's blonde. Purple hair is there to see Johnny, though. You already know she there. Get the likes up. It's up. It's up. Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard. Let's go. You know how we do it. Let's go. Get the likes up. Become the jury. Get the likes up. Shout out to everybody tapping in this morning. Ain't nothing like a morning filled with legal procedures and in the courtroom and $50 million on the line. Amber. I want Johnny to be like, bitch, I need all of mine. I need mine, bitch. I need mine.
All right, thank you, ladies.
Bitch.
And gentlemen. Be seated. All right, your next witness.
Your Honor, defendant calls Amber Heard.
All right, Ms. Heard, if you could come to the stand, please.
Oh, I gotta check that. Portrait of a Pimp. Oh, I gotta check that. Oh! Amber! Let's go! Yes, bitch. It's up.
Thank you, ma'am. And just a reminder, you're still under oath, okay?
Oh, it's going bad.
Question?
Bitch, what you got in that?
Amber, just to
She got some lime
during
green today.
this time, we're in the rebuttal to
That's
your
it.
counterclaim
That's it,
against
bitch.
Mr. Depp. So I'm
50
gonna confine my
M's,
questions
bitch.
to
You
that,
should have
okay?
thought about it.
All right.
You should have thought about it
How
before you want to do a
suffered
nigga in.
publicly as a result.
Don't start
of the
crying
Depp
now,
proceedings?
bitch. Don't start crying now.
Objection, speculation.
She got the hair. She got the. Get the likes up.
Humiliated, threatened every single day.
Bitch.
Even just walking into this courtroom,
Bitch.
sitting here
Bitch.
in front of the world.
She about to go. She about to give us
having
all
the
of
worst
it.
Parts of my life,
Final performance.
things I've lived through,
Let's do it, bitch.
used to humiliate me.
Ooh.
People want to kill me.
People want
They
to
tell me so.
Don't nobody want to
Every day.
kill you, bitch.
People
Shut
want
the
to put my
fuck
baby
up.
in the microwave.
Come on now.
Dad. Tell me. Threatened. Promised.
I like his tie.
Promised me.
That's that winning
If I ever
tie.
left him, he'd make me think of him every single day that I lived.
Oh my
Objection, Your
God.
Honor, non-responsive.
Oh my God.
I'll sustain
This
objection as to
bitch.
that, if you want to ask the question.
Why? See, Johnny just got to tap in. Why did I
Amber,
fuck with this bitch?
How did Mr.
Why?
Depp's
Why?
statements
Why? What
and
did
threats
I
to you
see?
that you were discussing,
Why?
how do those
I could
continue
have
to
jacked
manifest themselves
off.
today?
I could have fucked with so many other bitches. I could have did
In
so
the
much
harassment,
different
in the
shit.
humiliation,
Why did I fuck
the
with this?
campaign against me that's echoed every single day
Yes, bitch.
on social media.
You did it to
and
yourself,
now
bitch.
in front of cameras.
Did
in
it to
this room.
yourself, bitch.
Every single day, I have
You
to
did
relive
it
the
to
trauma.
yourself, bitch.
My hands shake. I wake
Bitch.
up screaming. I
Bitch, shut the
have to
fuck
live
up.
with the trauma and the damage
Hell
done
no,
to me.
bitch. I don't
My
believe
friends
it,
have to
bitch.
live with a set of unspoken
I
rules.
don't believe it,
about how
bitch.
to not scare me.
Objection, hearsay.
Yes, sir.
Unspoken rules.
Camille price is going
How to
up.
Not touch me, not to surprise me.
Oh, man.
My intimate partners have rules about how they can deal with me, how they can touch me. I have rules for doctors, medical professionals I see, gynecologists I see. I live my life with these sets of rules that I have to follow. My
Aiming
friends
it
have to follow
right
for me not
at
to have
the
a
jury.
panic attack or a
It's the
triggering
dude,
event
it's the men on the
where
jury.
I relive the trauma.
Get the
Even if I'm
lights
training
up.
To do my movie, for instance, if I'm training for Aquaman, a combat scene and a trigger
Hey, man,
happens.
she gotta
I have a
start crying
meltdown
quick, bro.
and have to
50
deal with
M's on the
that.
line.
The
She
crew I work
losing,
with has
nigga.
to deal with that
She gotta
because
cry.
of the damage I walk around with every single day from what I've lived through,
Oh, man.
from what I've survived. I'm not sitting in this courtroom snickering.
Bitch.
I'm not sitting in this courtroom laughing, smiling, and making snide
Bitch.
jokes. I'm not. This
Because
is horrible.
you started it, bitch.
This is painful.
Let's go.
And this is humiliating for any human being.
Break down, bitch. Come on. Come on, bitch.
Perhaps it's easy to forget that, but I'm a human being.
Come on, bitch. But you evil, though, like.
And even though Johnny promised that I deserve this and promised he'd do this, I don't deserve this.
Aw,
I
bitch.
want to move on.
Come on,
The
bitch.
statements,
Come on, bitch.
the attacks on me, the campaign,
Come on, bitch.
that Johnny has
Come
listened
on,
to millions
bitch.
of
Get the
people
likes up.
to
It's
do on his
epic.
behalf when he himself
Objection, Your
couldn't
Honor,
do
lack of
it.
foundation.
Torture me every day.
Speculation.
I'll sustain the objection.
Camille have no feelings for this bitch. Come on,
How have
Camille.
Waldman's statements impacted your ability to do charitable work?
Bitch, you ain't never did charity. She can't even imagine charity. This
The only
bitch.
reason that
This bitch can't even imagine
attorney
charity.
can sit up here on the stand and say I'm high functioning and I do things like have hobbies and have interests. is
Objection,
because I'm not-
non-responsive.
Mr. Depp gave long-winded responses yesterday.
Overruled, good.
She got to
Because
get him
I have a
out.
solution to that
She
pain.
got to get him out,
I
people.
woke up every morning
It's because
with
it's
panic attacks
ingenuine.
and trauma until I realized I could do something with it. So to answer your question, Ben, I I was able to turn the things that I've lived through, my pain, my life experiences, into work, into action, into providing a voice for other people. I'm not a saint. I'm not trying to present myself as one, as you all know, but I selfishly found relief in being able to use what I've lived through.
50 M's, bitch. I need mines.
To bring light to
I need mines, bitch. I need mines, bitch.
And while I would not wish this situation
I need mines, bitch.
Me, if it
yeah, bitch, fuck you. I need mines.
But I now, as I stand here today,
how long is it gonna take for me to get mines, bitch?
I can't even have people associate with me because of the threats and the attacks that
bitch.
they have to endure.
Objection non-responsive.
And a case chair to sustain the objection.
Amber, other than the threats that you've described,
Miles in the game, in the motherfucking building. What's up, people?
I receive hundreds of death threats.
Bitch, ain't nobody gonna kill you.
If not daily.
Bitch, ain't nobody gonna kill you.
This trial has started people mocking.
Don't nobody wanna hurt you, bitch.
Mocking.
Motherfuckers just wanna call you a fucked up bitch.
Being assaulted.
Yeah.
Making fun of my...
You shouldn't have shit on the bed, bitch. You should have thought about that when you shitted on the motherfucker bed. You should have thought about how the world was gonna perceive you, bitch. You thought it was funny though when it happened.
Agonizing.
You thought that shit was funny.
Agonizing.
You thought it was bull to do that.
And it was humiliating.
Yeah, bitch. You did it to yourself, bitch. Yeah, bitch.
I hope no one ever has to go through something like that.
Type of bitch shit on the bed and go to Coachella the next day. I want to know the motherfucker that she was trying to go see at Coachella.
I just want him to leave me alone. I've said that for years now, and I thought he would after 2020.
Objection non-responsive.
Rest in peace, Kevin Samuels, man.
Next question.
Rest in peace, Kevin Samuels, man. Let's go, Johnny.
What do you hope to reclaim?
Protecting the secret that I did for as long as I did.
Come on, bitch.
Has taken enough of my voice. Johnny has taken enough of my voice.
What?
I have the right to tell my story. I have the right to say what happened to me. I have the right to my voice and my name.
Bitch, you lying, though. See what I'm saying?
It took it long enough.
Yeah, bitch. We here because you lied, bitch. You gonna pay this 50 M's, bitch.
Talk about what happened to me, to own my story.
Yeah, bitch.
I have that right.
Yeah, bitch.
I hope to get my voice back.
Yeah, bitch.
That's all I want. And I said that from day one.
I don't have anything else.
All right.
Oh, shit. Camille. She's scared. She don't want no part. Leave me alone.
Yes.
Leave me alone, Camille. Yeah, bitch, go on and sniffle your nose, bitch. Get your nose clear, bitch, because it's going to be up, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Get yourself together, bitch. Here comes some questions, bitch. She hate Camille. This bitch hate Camille. She hate Camille. Camille ain't got no feelings. Look at that. She got to get stoic for Camille. She got to, man, this bitch Camille ain't. Camille. Come on, Camille. Finish this bitch. Oh, shit. Camille. Camille. Oh, shit. Oh, shit, Camille. Camille. Hell yeah. Let's go. That bitch mad. She raging on the inside. She raging. Look at that. Bitch, you mad right here. Man, right here is when you say, bitches, you mad? You mad, bitch? You mad? What you mad at, bitch? Bitch is mad. Oh, shit. See what it is. See what it is. Look at that bitch. It's something. What the fuck is you drinking, bitch? You drinking some green today? What is that? That's some type of drug in there, bitch. That bitch hate. Camille is over there getting ready, bro. Camille. Bitch, this the grand finale right here, bitch. 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 I'm finna, Camille is up for real bitch of the year over here. Let me tell y'all something, man. Camille is up for real bitch of the year over here. Camille Vasquez. I ain't saying she gonna win, but she is damn sure nominated with a lot of motherfucking points going in. It's gonna carry her through the summer. It's gonna be powerful. Other bitches is really gonna have to step up and do some shit to eclipse what this bitch has achieved in a few days of pressing a shitty ass bitch up here on TV. Salute to this bitch, man. Let me tell you something, man. Bossmack Topsoil, man. I'm just trying to tell y'all niggas, that's how I'm feeling right now. Camille getting it together, man. Amber don't even, man, like I said, man, if Amber really was fucked up about this shit, Amber would be folding over right now. You know what I'm saying? Amber would be in the throes of the travesty of this situation. But see, what Amber is thinking in her mind, Amber is like, is this motherfucker really gonna tax me for the 50 M's? Is he gonna really tax me for the 50 M's? All she got left is, please, don't take 50. Oh, man. I'm telling y'all, man, I feel like Johnny gonna have mercy on this bitch, man. Johnny gonna have mercy on the bitch and be like, you know what? I just want the world to know that this bitch was an evil bitch. You know what I'm saying? I don't even want all her money. Shoot me 10. I'm straight. I'll take 10, bitch. You know what I'm saying? Which would devastate, clean a bitch out. 10. Yep, she do. That's some Hillary Clinton shit right there. She sure do. I don't know if that was wise, though. I don't know if that was wise, man. I'm thinking a bitch should have probably went for, I think she should have probably tried to show a little titty or something, man, and, I don't know if the smart look is good. I don't know. She probably should have went all the way Marilyn Monroe with it, man, and tried to just really, you know what I'm saying, since motherfuckers hate the bitch guts so much. Let me see what Twitter. I forgot to go on Twitter this morning. Let's see what's up on Twitter, man. They saying, what's the number one? Amber is a liar. Oh, shit. Kevin Spacey has been charged with 4 counts of sexual assault against 3 men. Damn. Kevin Spacey is an aggressive homosexual. Casey Anthony trending. Why is Casey Anthony trending? Damn. Oh. Who is this tough bitch right here in the middle of the courtroom talking, man? Who's this tough bitch? Tough bitch in there talking, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Let me get my Twitter shit on right quick. I ain't said shit on Twitter today. Bless all real niggas. You know that's always my first tweet. Bless all real niggas. That's my first tweet every morning, man. Bless all real niggas, man. Because, man, I just want real niggas to be strong for the day. Then it's bless all real bitches. Bless all real bitches. Bless all real bitches. You hear me? And then I go, bless all real bitches. Then I go, bless all happy bitches. You know what I'm saying? Because, man, bless all happy bitches. All happy bitches. And then we go, and then we go, you feel me? Then after we go, bless all happy bitches, we say no sour bitches today. No sour bitches today. You feel me? No sour bitches today. And then I like to let motherfuckers know I'm happy as fuck. I'm me personally. I'm happy AF capital. I'm happy as fuck to be here with y'all motherfuckers. Wit. I do WIT. Wit. Y'all motherfuckers. Y'all motherfuckers. Motherfuckers is critical. Motherfucker is one of my favorite words. Motherfuckers this morning. This fine morning. This fine morning, nigga. You know what I'm talking about? I'm happy as fuck to be here with y'all motherfuckers this fine morning. And then we put out a call to action to bitches, and we say, bitch, get to it. You know what that means? That means get to it. You understand me? Bitch, get to it. Get to the bread. Get to it. Then we go, bitch, win. You know? No, real niggas are a blessing from God. That's the next tweet. Real niggas are a blessing from God. Let me tell you something. If you know any real niggas in your life, you need to be thankful that you know that nigga, man, because real niggas is valuable as fuck. That's another tweet. Real niggas are valuable as fuck. You feel me? Real niggas are valuable. Hold on. Valuable as fuck. AF, nigga. Real niggas are valuable as fuck. You understand me? Another good tweet is bitch. Let me see. Bitch, when you shut the fuck up when you shut the fuck up on cue, that shit is golden. You hear me? Bitch, when you shut the fuck up on cue, that shit is golden. You tweet that too. You feel me? And then another tweet, bitch. Another tweet, bitch. Go hard as fuck today. Go hard AF today. You feel me? Them some good tweets right there to start out the morning for motherfuckers. And then, let me think. And then, here's another one, nigga. Bitch. Why so serious? You feel me? Bitch. Why so serious? Oh, and then here another one. This another one. This another one. Look. Bitch. You mad? Bitch, fuck you. You feel me? You know what I'm talking about? Bitch, fuck you. You know what I'm saying? Let's get your mind right this morning. Let's get your attitude right for the day, bitch. Don't nobody give a fuck, bitch. And then I'm going to take one of these tweets where a bitch just retweeted me. And then I'm going to post that shit on Instagram. You feel me?
Ms. Heard, you just testified that this case has been very hard for you. So let's talk about that and why.
Let's go!
All right.
That bitch.
Your lies have been exposed to the world.
Lies!
Right?
Anything I've been here to say.
The
You
open.
sat here and told this jury that the events in Hicksville started with Mr. Depp getting really upset about a woman leaning on you. Is that correct?
Yes, that's effectively what happened. Yeah.
You testified that he actually grabbed that woman's wrist and twisted it, right?
And told her that he could effectively break her wrist by saying he knew how many pounds of pressure, or asking her how many pounds of pressure it took to break a human wrist.
But your own witness, your former best friend, Rocky Pennington, she didn't corroborate that, did she?
I'm not quite sure what part of that night she saw. There were a lot of people there.
She didn't testify that Mr. Depp grabbed anyone's wrist in Hicksville.
Again, I don't know what Rocky saw. There were a lot of people there that night.
You testified that once you brought Mr. Depp back to your trailer, he trashed it, correct?
That is correct.
And the manager of the Hicksville trailer park was furious that Johnny had wrecked the whole thing. Do you remember that testimony?
That's correct.
Well, we heard from that manager of the Hicksville trailer park, Morgan Knight, on Monday, didn't we?
I'm not quite sure who that guy was or if he had any involvement in this. I know a lot of people have come out of the woodwork to be involved.
So you're accusing Mr. Knight of testifying and committing perjury?
I'm not accusing anyone. I just don't recognize that man.
You heard Mr. Knight testify that it was actually you who was upset with Mr. Depp spending time away from him. Isn't that correct?
How would he know? He wasn't there.
You heard Mr. Knight testify that it was actually you who was yelling at Mr. Depp.
Again, I've heard a lot of people say a lot of things to be involved in the Johnny Depp show, but he wasn't there.
Bitch.
He doesn't know, and he certainly doesn't know what happened behind closed doors.
The bitch is
Like-
jealous
So you're calling Mr. Knight a liar?
of Johnny.
I am saying he wasn't there.
For
and
saying the
what
Johnny
he
Depp
testified
show.
to
That's a sign of
doesn't match
jealousy.
what I know happened. But I don't fault him. He wasn't there, so how would he know?
He testified he was there, Ms. Heard. Did you hear that?
That's his testimony, yes.
So you're calling him a liar.
I'm just saying he wasn't there.
You heard Mr. Knight testify that the trailer wasn't trashed, and that's why you're calling him a liar.
He testified that a light fixture was broken, similar to the way that
Yes,
Johnny's
other than a light
employees
fixture. That was
testified
the
to
only
my
thing that was
closet
broken,
being
right, Ms.
rearranged
Heard?
and things
Ms.
like
Heard?
that.
The only thing that was broken in the trailer, according to Mr. Knight, was a light fixture. Yes or no?
I realized that he summed it up by saying a light fixture was broken, just the way his security guard summed up him trashing my closet as being rearranged.
Your Honor, I'm going to move to strike everything after he summed it up, that it was a light fixture, as non-responsive.
She answered the question, Your Honor.
Overruled.
In the security guard testimony, Your Honor?
I'll allow it. Go ahead.
It's up.
Mr. Knight also testified that he charged Mr. Depp only $62 for the damaged light fixture. You heard that, correct?
Up.
I did.
In Hicksville, you were
That
the
bitch
only
can't
one
cry
who
'cause she
jealous
too
of Mr. Depp spending
pissed.
time from other people. Isn't that correct, Ms. Heard?
That is incorrect.
In Hicksville, you were the one who was upset that Mr. Depp wasn't giving you enough
Camille finishing.
Incorrect again.
Let's go, Camille.
Ms. Heard, you told this jury that you had no idea the press was going to be at the courthouse when you got your TRO on May 27th, 2016. Do you remember that testimony?
I said I did not have anything to do with it.
Shout out to
Yes.
the bitch in the yellow
No.
behind
My
Camille.
question again. You told this jury that you had no idea that the press was going to be outside after you got the ex-party TRO on May 27th, 2016. Do you remember that testimony?
I apologize. I must have misunderstood Ms. Vasquez. I actually had no idea whether they were going to be there or not. When I walked into the
bitch, you
courtroom,
lying,
it was completely
bitch.
quiet,
Come on,
still
bitch.
Empty. Even though I had given Johnny's team notice that I was filing the
Objection.
TRO,
Your Honor, this is
we had
non-responsive.
no reason to
Move to
believe the
strike.
press knew.
And, Your Honor, I would also ask that you instruct the witness to please stop talking once I lodge an objection.
Your Honor, she's trying to answer the question as best she can, and Ms. Vasquez is misrepresenting to her what she testified to.
Well, I'll strike the last part as non-responsive.
Thank you,
Just if you could just answer the questions asked. Okay. Thank you, Ms. Heard.
In fact, you testified that you were, quote, shocked when you saw press when you were leaving the courthouse. Yes?
Yes.
You weren't shocked at all, though, were you?
Incorrect. It was
You knew the press
horrifying.
would be at the courthouse, right, Ms. Heard?
No.
Well, you did bring a publicist to the courthouse with you on May 27th, 2016, didn't you?
I sure did. I'm a public figure. I brought my publicist in case it blew up. In case. And
You actually
I'm glad
had
I did.
alerted TMZ that you would be filing a TRO against Mr. Depp that very day,
No, I did
didn't
not.
you?
No, I did
The
not.
one day you didn't bother to wear makeup to cover up the mark on your face.
I did not call TMZ or any other news source or paparazzi source. No one.
Well,
I
we
never
heard
did
testimony from former TMZ employee.
that. Did I hear his testimony?
Yes.
Yes, I was here.
Yes, and you heard Mr. Tremaine's testimony that he knew to dispatch the paparazzi to the courthouse on May 27th, right?
I heard him say that he knew that. Yes.
Yeah, and that he dispatched paparazzi to the courthouse to capture a picture of an alleged bruise on the right side of your face. Do you remember him saying that?
I remember him saying that.
That information must have come from your team, right, Ms. Heard?
Absolutely not.
No.
Why would I want that? What actual survivor of domestic violence wants that?
Now, the video of Mr. Depp beating up some kitchen cabinets, you admit that you took that video, correct?
Yes, I did.
Right. And you acknowledge that the video was released online the day before you were deposed in connection with your divorce from Mr. Depp in August of 2016, right?
I believe it was, yes.
But you testified that you had absolutely nothing to do with the video's release, right?
Absolutely not.
I need my
And
50
you testified
M's,
that you learned
bitch.
about it when you landed after flying into LA. Do you remember that testimony?
Upon touchdown is when I was alerted
I
to the
need my
videos.
50
You heard Mr.
M's.
Tremaine testify about this video as well yesterday, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
And you heard Mr. Tremaine testify that TMZ received the cabinet video the same day you landed at LAX. Yes?
I don't know if that. I don't know if that's what his testimony was. I'm sorry.
You heard Mr. Tremaine testify that the cabinet video was posted 15 minutes after TMZ received it. Yes?
That's what I heard him say.
And that this
Need
could
my
only
50
have been possible
M's.
if the video was received directly from the source. Yes?
I heard him say that. I don't know if that's true or if that's possible because
And
it
you
didn't come
heard
from me. I was
Mr.
flying.
Tremaine
So
testify.
I know that's incorrect, is what I mean to say.
50
Another
M's.
liar on the stand.
I just know that that's incorrect.
50 M's.
And you heard Mr. Tremaine testify that TMZ owns the copyright to the cabinet video, right?
That's news to me.
The cabinet video you filmed of your then husband. Yes?
The copyright ownership of that is news to me. I learned that yesterday.
It's the cabinet video that you captured of your then husband. Yes?
That is correct. I did capture that video, and
The
yes,
cabinet
that was
video-
my husband.
The same cabinet video that was released the night before you were deposed in your divorce. Yes?
That's correct.
You must have also heard Mr. Tremaine testify that the version of the cabinet video that TMZ received was incomplete compared to the video the jury saw in this trial. Did you hear that?
The video that that you have seen is complete.
Right. But the one TMZ got the day before your deposition in the divorce was incomplete.
I don't know. I haven't seen it.
He testified that at the beginning portion of the video where you set up the camera, that wasn't included in the video that TMZ received.
I don't know what video TMZ
I'm talking
received.
about Mr. Tremaine's testimony, Ms. Heard. Let's just
So you're
focus on
asking
Mr.
me to
Tremaine.
repeat his testimony?
No, I'm asking you if you recall hearing him say those words.
Destroying this bitch.
Sure, I heard his testimony.
And he testified that the end of the video where you can be seen smirking. I know you testified earlier that you haven't been smirking in this trial, but you sure were caught on camera smirking in that video.
I disagree with that.
Was also not included in the TMZ video.
Everyone can watch that video and you can determine whether you think it's funny to me or not.
That's because the video came from you, right, Ms. Heard?
No, it did not. That video did not come from me.
Ms. Heard, you edited out
Amber
the
gonna get
portions
up and
where
rush
you looked
Camille.
bad before sending it to TMZ.
Amber, go get up and
You're
rush.
very wrong about that.
So that
If I
only
wanted to
Mr.
leak
Depp
information, I
looked
could have
bad.
done it in a more effective way, a lot sooner and a lot more.
Because you
I
knew
was
exactly
living
how to
with
do
a
that,
mountain
right?
of this evidence. If I wanted to leak it, I could have done a lot more with it.
I thought you testified earlier in this trial that you didn't know how to leak things.
I
Remember
don't.
that? You edited that video before you gave it to TMZ so that only Mr. Depp would look bad. Yes?
That's absurd.
Right in the middle of your divorce proceedings.
Amber, dude, she got
Again, you're very wrong.
50 M's, bitch. I need my 50
I'd like
M's.
to show you,
I need
that's
mine
already
today,
admitted in evidence.
bitch.
It's Defendant's Exhibit 799.
Transfer that over today to my bank account, bitch. I need it by the end of today, bitch. I got some shit I got to pay for.
This is you at the courthouse on May
Bitch, what you
27th,
drinking, bitch?
2016 when you got your
No
domestic
drugs
violence
in the
restraining
courtroom,
order against
bitch.
Depp, right?
Somebody check that
Next
bitch
to you
bottle,
is the
bitch. You
woman
drinking
named
some
Jody
green,
Gottlieb,
bitch?
right?
Yes.
Jody Gottlieb is your publicist.
And dear friend.
Camille
I'd like to
price
show you
going
what's been marked
up.
as Plaintiff's Exhibit 1316.
Camille's price, the yesterday's price is not today's price. Camille.
This is a picture of you and your friend Rocky Pennington, right?
That is correct.
Shout out to the
I'd like
bitch
to
in the
move
yellow
to
behind
admit
Camille back in there.
This photograph.
Any objection to 1316?
No, Your Honor.
All right, 1316 in evidence. You can publish to the jury.
The final, these are the final.
This is a
These
picture
are
of you
Amber.
on May 28th, 2016, right, Ms. Heard?
I don't know when this was taken.
Fuck you mean you don't
The
know?
day after you obtained the domestic violence restraining order against Mr. Depp, right?
I have no idea when this
Oh,
image was taken.
bitch.
I did
Come
not
on,
take it.
There's
bitch.
no bruise on your face in
There's
this
no
picture. is there?
bruise on your
Again,
face, bitch.
I don't know when this was taken, and also I'm outside. I was obviously wearing makeup. I have no idea when this was taken, so I have no idea if I can
Let's
speak to
refresh your
what.
recollection.
Porcelain,
Let's
white
refresh your recollection
skin,
about when this picture
fresh
was taken.
skin.
Can we please pull up
No
Plaintiff's
blemishes.
Exhibit 1315, just for the witness?
Get the likes up. This is classic shit going on
This is
right
an article
now.
dated May 30th, 2016, right, Ms. Heard?
That's what it says, yes.
And this article contains the same photograph of you and Miss Pennington we were just looking at. Yes?
Yes, I see that.
And the article is entitled, Amber Heard Smiles as She Puts Arm Around Friend One Day After Getting Restraining Order Against Johnny Depp. Is that what the title says?
I know that's what the title says, yes.
Your Honor, I'm going to move to admit and publish the article with everything but the headline and date and the photo redacted.
Objection, Your Honor. That's inconsistent from the way you've treated all of these.
I'll sustain the objection. All right, next question.
Let's take a look at picture Plaintiff's Exhibit 1317. This is also a picture of you and Miss Pennington on May 28th, 2016, isn't it?
I don't know when this photo was taken, but it looks like the same outing as the picture prior.
Your Honor, I'm going to move to admit and publish Plaintiff's Exhibit 1317.
Any objection?
No, Your
All
Honor.
right, 1317 in evidence. You can publish.
There's no bruise on your face in this picture either, right?
I disagree. If it is taken,
Extreme
when you represent
pressure.
It was taken, then obviously
Extreme
there's a bruise
pressure.
on my face. It's covered by makeup. as per
Extreme
usual.
pressure on a bitch.
Let's zoom out of that picture for a moment, please. Thanks.
Camille is the
That's
deal
Josh Drew in this picture,
of
right?
a real bitch of the year.
Yes, that's correct.
And Miss Pennington.
That is correct.
One bitch
there
up for
too?
real bitch of the
That
year.
is
Pennington submitted a sworn statement on your behalf in support of your domestic violence restraining order, didn't she?
I believe she did, yes.
Mr. Drew also submitted a statement in support of your domestic violence restraining order.
I believe they both
Them
did, yes.
bitches is rejoicing like they won some shit.
Ms. Hurd, I'd like to show you Defendant's Exhibit 512, which is already
I'm
in
gonna hit a
evidence.
lick on this nigga. That's what she was thinking in that pic. Oh, about to get them M's up out of him.
You've seen this photograph before, right?
I have.
On the second day of your direct testimony, you testified that this was taken in the downstairs of the main apartment on December 15th, 2015. Do you recall that testimony?
Yes, I believe so.
A
So it's
bottle
your
on the
testimony that
floor.
Defendant's Exhibit 512 reflects damage to Penthouse 5 that occurred during the December 15th, 2015 incident. Yes?
I'm not quite sure from what incident this is.
Get
when
the
I see
likes
this
up,
photo
it was
in a
classic.
vacuum without context.
Let's give you that context. Can we please?
Johnny Depp's suit
Could have
is
day 16
dope.
trial
Look at
testimony.
that suit. Look at that suit. Look at the fabric of that suit. Johnny Depp, I see you.
All right.
I like the tie too. Hell yeah. That's that 50 M suit. We're gonna call that shit 50 M's. This bitch gonna break bread today. Johnny's like redemption. Redemption.
Could you please turn first to page 4, 5,
Disney, get that
5?
contract ready. Get that contract ready, Disney. I hope Disney is tapped in. Yeah. Got this bitch a role in Aquaman. Got this bitch a role in Aquaman, her
Specifically
biggest
on-
film
Starting
ever.
on line 16.
Get the
where it
likes
says, "Let's
up.
talk about December 15th, 2015.
You said 458. Oh, four. I'm on 4485. Sorry, you said 4585.
4585.
Pardon.
Line 16.
Let's go. Yeah, bitch. You could have got them 7 M's if you wouldn't have went so hard, bitch. If you'd have just
Line
took your
16 where
7
it says,
M's
"Let's talk
and
about
ran
December
away and
15th,
shut the
2015.
fuck up,
See
you'd
that?
have been all right, bitch.
Yes.
Yeah,
then
bitch,
do
but
you
you
see
went
that your
too
testimony
far,
about
didn't you,
December
bitch?
15th,
You went
2015
too far,
follows?
didn't you, bitch?
Let's see. It's just the first line or two.
Yeah, bitch. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay. Now I'd like you to turn to page 4603. Starting at line 12. 4603. Starting at line 12 and going on to page 4604, line 4.
Okay.
And do you see that you testify that Defendant's Exhibit 512, which is on the screen,
Yes,
is a picture of the downstairs of the main apartment?
that's correct.
And the main apartment is Penthouse 5 in the Eastern Columbia building, right?
No, well, depends on what. The main apartment's penthouse 3 generally when we say main apartment.
Penthouse 5 was where you had your closet?
The downstairs was kind of like had some of my painting studio set up and a reception area. Upstairs was the closet.
Got it.
Mezzanine office was in between.
All right, so it's your testimony that Defendant's Exhibit 512 reflects damage to the Penthouse 5, that occurred during the December 15th, 2015 incident, right?
I'm just not sure from which incident this is a picture of, since I'm only looking at
Even
a
though your
partial
counsel
floor.
was asking you questions about December 15th, 2015, and then admitted this picture into evidence
Again,
in
in my
relation to that incident.
Sorry, go ahead. What?
In relation to that incident on December 15th, 2015. This exhibit, Defendant's Exhibit, you are the defendant, number 512, was admitted into evidence in this court. You testified that this was the result of damage that occurred on December 15th, 2015. Yes or no?
I just need to orient myself.
Bitch,
because
what
I'm
you
just
mean
looking at a
you need
picture
to
of a
orient?
partial
No,
picture of a
Ms. Hurd,
floor,
you didn't just
so
look
I
at a
can't.
picture. You looked at your testimony.
You pointed me towards the page and then asked me a question. I haven't actually reviewed it. I don't know if this was submitted in relation to that incident.
Let's actually leave up Defendants 512 and please pull up Defendants Exhibit 725.
Get the likes
It's
up.
already in evidence
Thank you.
in redacted form, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. You can publish.
Just side by side. You've seen this photograph as well, right?
I have.
On the third day of your direct testimony, you testified that this photograph reflected spilled wine in Penthouse 5 on May 21st, 2016, didn't you?
Again, I don't know because I'm looking at a partial picture of a floor. So unless you remove the metadata you've covered up, we could then tell. If you
I didn't cover it up, Your Honor.
Could we unredact
Your
it
Honor
then
did.
so we could get context?
That's how it's in evidence.
That's how
All
it's in
right.
evidence.
Next question.
Well, the metadata next to it is so that
Ms.
to
Hurd,
avoid this
Ms.
sort of
Hurd,
confusion.
there is no question pending, and I would appreciate it if you wouldn't be making argument to the jury.
Sorry, I
It's
thought you had
inappropriate.
asked me about it.
No, I didn't ask you about anything. Let's look at your direct testimony from the third day.
Oh, wow. Shout out to the bitch in the yellow behind Camille, though. Like, Camille.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Shout out Vince. Bob Born, salute.
Let's turn to page 4750 in day 17 transcript.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
4750. Specifically line 16. Do you see where Ms. Bredehoff asked you to describe for the jury what took place on May 21st, 2016?
I see that.
And do you see that your testimony is reflected about May 21, 2015
Yes.
that follows? Okay.
Yes.
Now let's turn to page 4804 at line 14. 4804. Starting at line 14
Yes.
through 4805, line 4.
Going to what line?
Line 4 at 4805.
Camille rolling a bitch up into the blunt, getting ready
You
to
see
put
that you're
fire on
testifying
it.
that Defendant's Exhibit 725, which is reflected on the right side, reflects spilled wine on the floor in Penthouse 5?
That's correct.
Okay. And Defendant's Exhibit 512 and 725 seem to be different versions of the same picture, don't they?
That's correct.
Okay. So which is it? Which one was taken on December 15th, 2015, or May 21st, 2016?
If you remove
year.
the redacted metadata, you can find out.
Get the likes
It's right
up.
there.
Or if you're telling the truth, you would know.
Recognize a portion of of spilled wine on a floor, and I'm supposed to know off the top of my head. when
Yeah,
I've lived through
bitch.
5 years of this stuff? I
Yeah,
don't think so.
bitch.
That's not how that
Yeah,
works.
bitch. Yeah, bitch.
Thank you, Tom.
Yeah, bitch.
Ms. Hurd, at the beginning of your cross-examination
Your
last
Honor, may
week,
we approach?
Yes.
We gotta approach. We gotta slow it down. We gotta slow it down. We gotta slow it down. Oh shit! Shout out to shout out to motherfuckers trying to help Amber Heard, trying to slow it down. He's like, nah, ass Pete, I gotta slow it down. I gotta slow it down. On her helmet, Chief Wildfire. On her helmet ain't even the word. She just on that lime green. What is that? What is that? That's drugs in that, man. I know that's drugs, man. You know, we not supposed to have drugs in the courtroom, man.
Ladies and gentlemen in the gallery, I would ask that there be no words or no phrases, no words, no sounds at all coming from you. If I hear
The
one more
gallery
sound, I
is
will hear it out.
laughing and
We will
shit.
continue this testimony
The
without
gallery is laughing and shit. They want to stop the gallery from laughing.
Ms. Hurd, at the beginning of your cross-examination last week, I showed you an audio where you told Mr. Depp to tell the jury, tell the judge, tell the world that he is a victim of domestic abuse. Do you remember that?
That's correct.
And you testified you found it hard to believe that Mr. Depp would tell the world that he's a victim of domestic abuse, didn't you?
I said I find it hard to believe that he would do that knowing that he himself had beat me up for 5 years.
Oh,
That
bitch.
he's your victim of domestic abuse, hasn't he?
Well, he started to say that only recently. He didn't make that claim up until very recently. So when we signed our divorce agreement and we signed a statement saying that neither party had ever said false claims for financial gain, it was relevant and important to me because I was the only one making the accusations. I was the only one making those claims. He wasn't doing that at the time.
Oh,
and he
no,
signed his name
man.
to it.
I don't know.
You didn't expect as many people to show up and testify on his behalf.
I don't know if she
that
Latina
did you?
or Puerto Rican. I don't
Incorrect.
know. I don't know if they the
When
same
you told
thing
this
though,
jury under
too.
oath that you never assaulted.
Get the lights up. It's up in here.
When you told this jury under oath that you punched Mr. Depp because you thought of Mr. Depp pushing Kate Moss down the stairs, you didn't expect Miss Moss to agree to testify.
Incorrect. I know how many people will come out of the woodwork to be in support of Johnny.
So you
It's
think
clear
Miss
by this
Moss
courtroom
needs
how
to
many
come
people
out
will
of the
do that.
woodwork to testify for Mr. Depp?
Everybody who was
Oh,
in the
celebration.
early aughts knew that rumor. I had heard that rumor from multiple people. Of course, that's what flashed through my head when my violent husband not only swung for me, but all of a sudden swung
But
for his
Kate
sister.
Moss got his
Of course I
back
thought
though.
that.
Solid
I did not
bitch.
expect her to show up or not
Who woulda-
expect
who
her
woulda
to show up.
thought
It didn't
that
matter. It doesn't change what I
solid
believed at the
bitches from
time.
my
When we
past
were
would
on the
come and
stairs
support.
I thought he was going to kill my sister.
Can't
by pushing her
corroborate
downstairs.
shit, can you, bitch?
You told this
You don't
jury
even
under
like your
oath that Mr.
sister,
Depp was
bitch.
aggressive and trashed the
This
jury.
bitch don't even like her
You didn't
sister.
expect the manager of the Hicksville property, Morgan Knight, to come forward and testify that that was untrue, did you?
Incorrect. I've already been through trials with this man. I know how many people will come out in support of him.
Yeah,
When you
bitch, you
told this
jealous
jury
of that
under oath
shit,
that
ain't
you
you,
had no idea
bitch?
that the paparazzi
You
was
mad
at the
because you don't have
on
that
May
type of
27th,
love and
2016,
admiration,
you
huh,
didn't expect
bitch?
TMZ employee to
Y'all
show up
niggas
to
be
testify
mindful of
that
bitches
TMZ
that be
had been
jealous of
alerted
you.
that
Your
would be in the
own
courthouse
bitch can
and
be
knew
jealous of
exactly
you,
which
nigga.
side
Don't
of your
never
face to take a
forget that.
picture of. Did you?
I know how many people will come out and say whatever for him. That's his power. That's why I wrote the op-ed. Is I was speaking to that phenomenon. How many people will come out in support of him and will fall to his power? He's a very powerful man. People love currying favor
Posted
with
in a
powerful
cut
men.
like an
I know that
infection.
firsthand. I've
Risking
lived
jail
it.
time for committing perjury?
Excuse me? I didn't hear your
You
question.
didn't hear
Excuse
my
me?
question?
Ms. Vasquez, if you do mind,
Curry-
please just repeat the question. I didn't hear you.
Yeah,
Curry
bitch.
favor and commit perjury in this courtroom?
I have
For
seen
a
people
powerful
do this.
man?
I have seen people do this time and time again.
Commit
That's why I wrote
perjury.
the op-ed.
You didn't expect Ben King, the house manager in Australia, to show up from England. He flew from England to testify that Mr. Depp's fingertip was found exactly where he said it would be. Did you?
I have never heard Johnny testify to knowing where his finger was, or
bitch.
even, frankly, making
This
a
is
claim that he
epic.
knew where it was when it
This
was
is
found.
legendary right
I've
here,
never
man.
heard Johnny claim that.
You didn't expect
Johnny
Keenan
doesn't-
Wyatt.
Johnny
The
has never said-
dichotomization of a bitch. She is being
I think the jury can- Ms. Hurd, there's
dichotomized.
no question pending. You didn't expect Keenan Wyatt, Mr. Depp's longtime sound technician, to show up and testify that Mr. Depp is not being fed lines through his earpieces, but instead music, did you?
Not that it matters much, but of course I did.
A bitch being
I know how his employees
dichotomized.
treat
So
him.
you
I know how
probably-
his team treats him. Of course
Dichotomized
I
by
expected that.
So you probably expected Isaac Baruch to come and testify
by
for Mr.
Camille.
Depp, right?
I'm not sure I thought about that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
you didn't
bitch.
expect Mr. Baruch to weep for Mr. Depp after what you've put him through and so many others with your lies.
I
did you?
relate to.
Camille,
I
fuck!
are the only
Further
ones who
questions,
have
Your
cried
Honor.
on this stand.
Nothing further.
All right.
Camille! Camille, finish that! Camille, flip-flop,
Thank you, Your
flip-flop,
Honor.
flip-flop,
Mr.
back,
Mr. Baruch
roundhouse,
felt misled.
roundhouse, back,
Misled him.
no hands,
I
twist,
don't blame him. I don't
land,
blame him from crying.
bitch!
This is horrible.
Ms. Vasquez has suggested that you faked bruises on your face. Is that true?
Oh, shit!
Absolutely not. I didn't need to.
Did you ever fake an injury caused by Mr. Depp?
No.
Is any of the evidence of your injuries that has
Finished
been
her.
put to the jury in this trial fake?
Finished her.
No, absolutely not.
Finished her.
And to the extent that there may be some confusion over when a picture of spilled wine was taken, why might
Finished
that
her.
be?
Overruled.
Because there's so many incidents of violence. There's so many pictures. There's so much evidence. Most people don't have this kind of evidence for years.
Yeah,
5
bitch.
years.
Yeah, bitch.
And when I was saying that to Johnny
Yeah,
on
bitch.
the phone in that
It's
recording, I was
over.
saying for years.
Do
this has
you
been going on,
have
and I have pictures. We have texts. We
50
have everything.
M's?
No
Get the
need to
likes
get
up,
this amount of evidence.
bitch.
That's
Do
what I was
you
saying.
have
It would be crazy to try
50
to
M's for me,
challenge this
bitch?
in
I
this way.
need mine.
It's crazy. It's easy to not know the context
As
of
soon as the
a
jury
picture of
say
wine,
we rule in
because there are
favor
so many
of Johnny
more
Depp,
important
I
details,
need
pictures,
mine.
And also, so much I didn't photograph, so much I didn't have the
Yeah,
presence of
bitch.
mind
Objection,
to
non-responsive.
document.
Yeah, bitch.
I'll sustain the objection.
Yeah,
That's fine.
bitch.
Did Mr. Depp abuse you physically?
Yes.
I don't believe
Verbally?
that. I don't believe that.
Yes.
I don't believe it. Look at that bitch. I don't believe it. I don't believe it, bitch.
Psychologically?
Yes.
I don't believe it, bitch. I don't believe it. I don't believe it, bitch.
That Mr. Depp made against
Woo!
you individually years ago resemble what you've endured as a result of the Depp-Waldman statements?
Beyond the scope of cross, Your Honor.
Overruled.
Johnny promised me
What?
he would ruin me. That he'd ruin
Bitch,
my
you
career.
run yourself, bitch.
Take my life
You
from me.
shitted
That
on the
was the only
bed,
way out.
bitch.
And if I got out,
Shitted
this
on
is
the
what
bed.
he'd do to me.
Bitch, you-
He'd make me think of him every single day.
Bitch.
He promised me global
Oh, my God.
humiliation. You saw those texts.
Oh my God. This bitch might try to kill Johnny
What
Depp.
he couldn't do.
This
the
bitch
one-
might
the
try
one
to kill
individual,
him.
Meaning Johnny, when he was inviting a disgruntled employee over for a spot of purple to fix my flabby ass up. That revenge that he sought back then was just what he could do as an individual,
bitch.
calling the studio to get me fired, trying to block camp.
Objection, Your
block me
Honor.
from
Lack of
working.
foundation, speculation,
It's
hearsay,
all in
non-responsive.
I'll sustain as to non-response.
Yeah, bitch,
Sir,
shut the
how
fuck
did
up.
those things that you just testified to that Mr. Depp did, how did those resemble what happened to you after the Depp-Waldman counterclaim statements were made?
Those are
Objection, Your
just-
Honor. Lack of foundation.
She's...
Overruled.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Shout out to Click Me Guy. I feel that game.
I'm living through today. It's like what I'm living in right now. What you see in this courtroom is an echo. This courtroom and the other courtroom he
Bitch.
dragged me into to do the same thing again.
Bitch.
That's just an echo of the violence and the abuse that I suffered within our relationship.
Oh my
The campaigns to have me fired, the blocking me,
This
to try
bitch
to
could have
ruin my
walked
career,
away with 7
threats he's
M's
made
if
to
she would have just
humiliate me
shut the fuck
globally
up.
are being lived out in real time in front of you, ladies and gentlemen, for the past 6 weeks and for the whole world since our cameras
Yeah,
here.
bitch.
No further questions. Thank you so much, Amber.
All right, Ms. Hurd, you can have a seat next.
Yeah,
to her.
bitch. Hold that L. Hold that L. Take that L with you over there, bitch. Hold that L, bitch. God bless Johnny Depp. Protect Johnny Depp at all costs. Shout out Johnny Depp, man. Disney started getting that contract together, man. We got to get that Jack Sparrow. We got to start filming Pirates of the Caribbean Part 6, 7, 8. Jack Sparrow in this motherfucker. You know what I'm talking about? Let's go. Let's go. Hey, DC might need to give Amber a look at that Aquaman so she can get some of that bread up for Johnny, man, because if I was Johnny, I would call over to DC, man, and be like, yo, you know what? Let that bitch get down because she going to need to shoot me that bread, man. I think she only got about 10, and I'm finna take that 10 right now, you understand me? She going to be sitting outside in front of her crib, evicted and shit. So y'all need to put her in so you know what I'm saying? So I could get some of that bread, you feel me? Because this bitch owe me 50. I need that 50. I need that. I need mine, bitch. I was stand up. When they come back and say, we rule in favor of Johnny Depp, I would stand, if I was Johnny Depp, I would stand up and say, I need mine today, bitch. Fuck that. I need mine today, bitch. Bitch, I need mine today. Oh, man. Oh, man. It's a cold game, man. This a cold game, man. Oh, my God. The darkness. The darkness of the bitch.
All right. Your next witness?
Your
Get the
Honor,
likes
Amber
up.
Amber Heard rests.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. All
Oh!
right, ladies and gentlemen, you have heard all the evidence you're going to hear in this matter. What I
Oh!
propose doing is to go ahead and give you the rest of the afternoon off so you can have a good restful afternoon and evening, and we will do closing arguments tomorrow morning at 9 a.m., and then the case will be submitted to you for deliberations. Just to give you a little logistics of how that will go. Tomorrow, I won't give you a time limit as
What a
far as how
morning.
you can deliberate in the afternoon into the evening.
What a morning.
I will tell you, within reason, I will tell you I do not serve dinner, so keep that in mind. Okay?
What a
You
morning.
will not be deliberating on Saturday or Sunday or Monday, because Monday is a holiday. I would like you to have you back here Tuesday morning.
Tuesday morning, they're gonna have that verdict. Tuesday morning.
At least by 9 o'clock, resume your deliberations. And again, on Tuesday night, and if you have to go to Wednesday or Thursday.
Tuesday
the
morning, they're
time
gonna be
that
like,
when you take your breaks is up to you, as long as you take them together, as far as not having any
Tuesday
deliberations
morning.
unless all of the jurors are in the room at the same time. When you take your lunch is up to you. And then again in the evening, within reason, I'll let you go as long as you'd like to go, okay?
Tuesday
So have a good
morning.
evening, and we'll see you tomorrow morning, okay? Do not discuss the case with anybody, don't do any outside research.
Tuesday morning. Tuesday morning is up. Johnny Depp. Salute. This was a great day, man. I enjoyed this process,
We'll go ahead and
man.
take a
Some different
modified
shit.
lunch recess just till 12:50. We'll come back at 12:50. We just have a few jury instructions left we have to do. Make sure we get the verdict form taken care of. I want you to review the laptop that we have mocked up and make sure everybody agrees what's on it. And
I ain't
also
gonna lie.
go through all your exhibits and make sure we're
I
all on
wanna-
the same page. Before you leave, I'll make sure you have copies of the jury instructions in the order that I'm going to read them, and you should be able to prepare for your closing arguments for tomorrow, okay? All right, we'll see you at
I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna keep it a buck, man. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I wanna say shout out to the lead attorney, man, because I seen him doing this and I was like, man, I'm finna do that shit, bro. Fuck that. I seen the lead attorney doing it. I'm like, oh no, I'm finna do that shit. The Bossmack topsoil is he doing it as a lawyer. I'm doing real nigga commentary, man. Real nigga commentary. Jack Sparrow. Johnny! Let's go, Johnny! Shout out Johnny Depp, man. Oh, shit, man. Yeah, man, you know, the Bossmack topsoil, you know, I saw the lead attorney doing this, and I was like, man, I'm finna do this shit right here, man, because this shit is dope right here, man. Shout out to all y'all motherfuckers who tapped it in with the motherfucking Bossmack topsoil through this right here. Get the likes up. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. She could, hey, you know what? She could do a OnlyFans, you right. And motherfuckers would fuck with her. They would fuck with her. They gonna fuck, hey, let me tell y'all something, man. On everything. They gonna fuck with Amber, man. Amber, they gonna fuck with Amber. You know what I'm saying? If she did a OnlyFans, they will fuck with her. It's some weirdo motherfuckers that will actually enjoy that shit. It's some weirdo motherfuckers that would enjoy seeing Amber Heard on some OnlyFans and shit. You know what I mean? You know, she gonna need to do something to get that bread up though. That might fuck with the Aquaman money though if she did that though. She can't. You know what I mean? Cause I think a bitch still got action on some Aquaman. Cause if I was DC, you know, maybe. Well, I don't know if Jason don't want her in there. Jason might be, bitch, hell nah. I don't want that bitch around me, man. Get the likes up. Salute everybody. Hey, man. Hey, Vince Wright, man. You can't knock the hustle, man. That's a way. That's a way to get some bread. That's a way to get some bread. All right, y'all, man. The Bossmack Topsoil got a whole lot of orders and shit to get out and clothes to make and shit. You feel me? Like, got a whole lot of shit to do. So, tonight, man. Y'all be tapped in, man. We gonna be live with Mr. Lucario. I don't know if I'm gonna do a show. I might do a show after. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna do a show after the Lucario thing. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Let me know where you tapping in from. How y'all feel about what y'all just saw? Do you feel like it's the end for Camille? I mean, not Camille. Is the end for Amber? Is it an L? Did Camille finish her? How y'all felt about that? Do you feel like it was a wrap? I feel like it was a wrap. The sun is shining. It's a beautiful day, man. Targeted live stream brainwave broadcasting. Yeah, man. You know, the Bossmack Topsoil been doing this shit so long, but I feel like I feel like a new nigga for some reason, man, because I guess this live streaming shit, man, make a nigga feel like a new nigga, man, because I ain't been doing it like this, man. You know what I'm saying? Trying to get up to speed with the rest of the world, with the rest of these motherfuckers, man. Get the right equipment, get everything going, working right, doing right, mastering all this shit, man. Learn how to do all this shit, man, you know. Still here. You know what I'm talking about? Put some bread on the books, man. Look out for a nigga, man. Look out for a nigga out there, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So I can keep bringing you this game, man, because I'm going to keep bringing it. You break bread with me, I'm going to keep bringing it game, man. I ain't going to never stop, man. I'm going to keep bringing that game, nigga. You know what I mean? And, yeah, man. Hey, man. We out. Yeah, man. Blessings, man. Blessings. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you.